Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so that all are you happy and well. So in today video, button crafts ideas, viewers. So let's start today's video. Do you like jewelry? Let's make button bracelet or necklaces. Use a thread, cord and positive thought. The button holes that makes a different color and shape for a fun look. It's easy, quick and perfect as a friendship bracelet. And here are fun ideas for kids. Button animals. Use colored button to make a turtle shell, ladybug body or a bunny face. Add paper eyes or a draw little legs. Kids will love making this button crafts. Viewers and photo frame. Make something useful button photo frames. Take an old frame and decorate it. Friends and decorate its border with colorful buttons. You can make a rainbow patterns or mix colors randomly. Both look great. Once it dry, add your favorite picture inside. Now your frame look cute and handmade with love. Button flower art. Let's make a button flower art. Take a white sheet or canvas board and draw some flowers. Team uses a green marker. Use now glue different color buttons or on top of each string, and there you go, a lovely buttons garden. You can hang it on your wall or gift it to someone special. Friends and viewers. So Wala Hafiz, thanks for watching my channel and thanks for watching my videos. So friends, Khuda Hafiz.